This is the new Malaysian food market that just opened, and that is the Universal Studios logo in Singapore. So let's see what they have in here. Oh, this is pretty cool. It's designed like the olden times. This is how the food places used to look like in Singapore in the olden times. Shop houses where the bottom floor are the shops, and then the owners of the shops would live on the second floor right there. This is the very scenic view. Actually, I'm not sure what this river is called, but it's near Harbourfront, and it's...
Did you say river?
Isn't it a river? No? What is it then? Oh, it's the sea? Okay.
You thought this is a river?
It looks like it's kind of small. Okay, fine, it's a sea. But it's really pretty. And that's where they would have the night shows at night. And I think they're constructing stuff over there. There's a lot of dragonflies, right?
No, bee lah, baby.
Bees.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm smarter than this, okay?
You should put like a disclaimer.
So that's where all the cruises are. I'm ignoring him.
It's gonna be like a blonde blog, I think.
It's quite a nice walk. It's quite a breezy day that we have here. It's not too hot. It's usually quite humid. So I think this is where the Maritime Museum is. We're gonna go in and take a look at it. It's just opened and they have an exhibition called Pirates of the East at this moment. And that's the sea, not the river, but the sea. So where is the aquarium gonna be?
It's gonna be on that side.
Okay, so this is just the museum then. So we're gonna check it out. Inside of the Maritime Museum, a huge ass ship here. And with beanbags where you can just sit and watch the performance, which I thought was pretty cool. More oriental inspired decorations. So we're gonna go ahead and see the exhibition now. Ooh, nice ship.
Oh, I need to show the car. Look at that.
Okay. I believe that is the gift shop. This is apparently how the new Marine Life Park is going to look like. So pretty. I want a room in my place that looks exactly just like this. So calming. Coming soon. Akan datang. I can just stay in this room for hours, I'm telling you. So, and look what I got! My baby got this for me. They're so cute. Two animals I like, giraffes and monkeys. Can't get enough of them. So that's Hard Rock Cafe. We've got the bank, Coffee Bean, and this was where we had lunch, Din Tai Fung. And yeah, you can pretty much find everything in here. Full-fledged resort. So we're gonna go into this magical place called Candelicious. It is really awesome. So it says, if there's no candy in heaven, I'm not going. So this is the best corn on the cob you can find in Singapore, right here in Chili's. It is so good, and he's trying to get it away. No, it is so good. Like, you guys have to come here and taste it for yourself.